Morning, guys. Just almost done with the detailing. I'm detailing on this beautiful lady's hair. Looks so gorgeous. Look at this haircut. So beautiful. Frames her face is perfect. And same way here. It was so flat on the crown. Obviously, this is the highest part of the head, and then going down the slope. So the hair really travels and lands in the flat areas like the water. You know, when there's a stream of water flowing and it ends in the flat areas, not to mention there's a rain out there and there's a lot of water piles up some areas. So what we did the color a couple of weeks ago, highlights and lowlights, and beautiful. It looks so perfect right now. So anyhow, I created a lot of movement here. We call this haircut the shag. So layered shag. In Turkish they call them lines. You know, haircut line. You know, because of how the lion's hair is all over the face and just fluffy and movement. So I'm making sure the hair follows the contour of the skull, even though we're in the ends. But the thing is, it has the balance within it, and of course it travels forward, and then frames her beautiful facial structure. Same thing, when the hair goes in and lands very softly, like a sheer curtain-like balance with the ends. Because of the reason I'm doing this type of haircut is giving a perfect shape, starting from here to the top, from top to the facial structure. What do you think? Does that make sense to you? Let me know if I'm messing up on my English language.
Yeah, you're doing very well.
And I'm doing the point cutting, guys, and point cutting creates the movement on the tips of the hair and also reduces the weight pulling down the hair. Because you could do all kinds of hair dryers and hairspray and the mousse and gel. If the haircut is not proportionally structured and cut right, it will not, like putting the roof or angles and squares and curves. It's all very important. So the same thing here. This is the roof, frankly, and we're layering the shingles. I love Spanish tile roofs. That's one of my most favorite. I think it's most appealing, to the eyes. And then I always believe eyes never lie, so I always pay attention. Haircuts, not only the ones I've done, but just the walking in the street. That always captures my attention. Whenever I see a really beautiful haircut, it really inspires me, knowing that there's someone out there doing their job correctly. Yeah, my customer actually this morning moved her appointment, and then you got lucky.
The universe.
And I got lucky too.
The universe was directing us, because when I woke up this morning, I thought, let's call Mario, just by chance. So it was meant to be.
Absolutely. Yeah, this holster was given to me by Miss Bonica Shears. I worked with her for several years through hair shows. So worn out, but I cannot get it replaced.
Yeah, take care of that.
I get a lot of compliment because of the tiger lines,
yes.
The color, or cat color.
Yes.
Cat lovers, we love cats too, but this is a synthetic skin, so don't worry. It's a fake one. I've used many years the faux. You said faux?
Faux, F-A-U-X. It's faux animal.
Thank you. Why is it said faux? Why is it so faux?
Faux means it's not real.
Thank you, my dear friend. You're the best. See, can't have not loving your clients because they look after you in so many ways with their kindness, thinking for your success and the best. So we built our client base, guys, referral. referral, you know, it's important. People tells one another, because if you see, love my haircuts, and you have a family members, a brother, sister, cousin, somebody in town. I've done a lot of, I know some people traveling in. I've done a lot of family members. Was here a year ago, now coming back to get their hair done again, because they don't live here. So because of their family members comes here. As you know, on the top right here is so flat, so we created the volume. It's like a water fountain, you know, comes out, flows out, down. How would you describe that one? I'm always learning English, guys. Because when I worked on the cruise ships, right, I couldn't, my accent was so heavy, and they said, what do you say? And I would spell it. I kid you not. Like, I was that into learning the language, because I was very, you know, it was a very intense thing, because I wanted to learn the best way possibly could. And you know, it served me well. I know some people being here 40 years doesn't speak the language correctly. Some people's parents, you know, they never get out of their comfort zone. What do you think about the bangs?
Well, let's see. We'll light them up just a little bit more in the center. You know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
Okay, so more like the curtain bangs, where, you know, because I don't wear them straight across.
Okay. Gotcha.
They fall. Yeah.
So it's very important, because once you cut it, you cannot put it back. That's why I'm very curious. I like to question my client, you know. That way we're on the same page. And I use the shorter the better, the scissors, because otherwise the longer scissors shake more, you know. It's almost like a driving 18-wheeler. You know, I also added more bangs, because I went back a little bit.
That's fine. I think you did that the first time, and I liked that.
Because as you know, the volume is, you know,
Yes.
lack of volume in this area. Not to mention, I had no volume on my head. Which you already know. Gigi, can I see the appointment book, please?
Nice.
See, guys, this young lady, she's been in Johns Creek, I'm not sure how many years, so have I, but she really didn't know about me or never come to me. And then one of my clients always, I guess, did Barbara was told you about me, or how did it happen? What made you want to come here?
I asked Barb.
Okay, why?
Where does she go?
Why?
Because her hair always looks so nice.
Okay. And how do you like the color transformation we did a while back?
I like it. It's much easier to take care of.
You didn't have to go all the way to Los Angeles, pay that guy $1,600
No.
plus airplane fare. I know this guy, Jack, is popular doing the hair color transformation.
This looks longer to me. Does that look?
No.
Maybe it's okay. I see, and it's coming from the back. No, because then, sadly for you, I don't have to have it colored so often because we did color correct it.
There's nothing never said. I always work in favor of my clients.
Right.
Because you're happy, I'm happy. Because if you're not happy, then you're always going to be looking out for some different avenues. You know what I'm saying? It's like if you buy a Ferrari and you love it, then you don't want to buy another car.
Right.
You have a Ferrari and you don't like it, then you want to go switch to Lamborghini or Porsche, or you're going to get another one. Some people I know, they have one hairdresser go the color, the other one goes to cut. My opinion, you know, I'd rather, because the reason someone should choose the hairdresser, get the both services done, is because haircut and the color has to harmonize with one another. And when you're cutting the hair, you're going to cut the hair based on the hair color. You know, a lot of times there could be a lot of miscommunication between the two artists.
That's another thing that I like, is that I don't have 3 different people handling me.
Yep. It's almost like somebody cooking your steak, another person cooking French fry, another person making the salad, which that happens when I worked at a 5-star restaurant. But anyhow. Cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful lady, Miss Connie, looking gorgeous in the house, and she looks like a superstar. She looks better than, what's her name? Miss Universe, today's world. Shake it from your hair for me, sweetheart. Yes, sir. Look at that. Shake it one more time. Yep. Thank you. I appreciate. So Miss Connie is happy, and guess what? Please send me your friends and come see us, Mario Ser Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. Much love and greater respect. Peace.